Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a project ready and access granted. Sign into your Google account, enable the AI APIs, and attach billing so the model can run. Once done, create an API key or OAuth client and assign IAM roles to your account or service principal. Make sure you pick Gemini Pro as the model and set sensible usage limits to avoid surprises. This immediate setup gets you into the control plane where you can call the model from the console, SDK, or REST API. Now you build prompts and API calls that get reliable results. Start with a concise system instruction to set role and tone, then add user messages with specific tasks and examples. Adjust temperature for creativity versus precision, and set max tokens and response format to control length. When using multimodal inputs, attach images or files and reference them explicitly. If tasks are complex, chain prompts, extract, refine, then generate. This structured execution reduces ambiguity and improves repeatable output. Finish by validating answers, saving the best sessions, and integrating responses into your app or workflow. Make sure to monitor usage and set alerts so costs stay predictable. Implement caching and retries, log inputs and outputs for audits, and apply rate limits to protect your project. If you encounter poor or inconsistent responses, first increase context or add clear examples, then adjust temperature or switch model flavors. Also check quota, IAM permissions, and API error codes. Fixing those often resolves access or performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.